This is shooting setup. I'm using one main light shooting, and this is the light. This was tungsten light before, then I changed to LED light, so it's not that hot at all. And well, this is a one light shooting this time, and this is the setup. Well, okay, from here. Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this time I show you my setup of the shooting of this still life. Well, okay, this is my subject today, and I'm a photographer. I shot this image yesterday, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Fine Edges. And as you saw the movies, the setting is pretty simple. Frosted background light, so it's not reflect anything. Just nice one light, main light from left hand side. And this is the leaf. This is the real leaf. It's dead already, and I broke my glass, so I decided to shoot some as a subject. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna make something interesting image from this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, not much interesting. Well, this is nice simple graphic image, lighter color overlay. This is pretty interesting, isn't it? Tone down, nice blue cast from left hand side. This pin light effect, kind of nice image. Luminosity, wow, nice real shadow color. I kind of like this. Yeah, including this though, I wanna add color. Let's see, turn it off, this pencil drawing type image, then I may add some different color on this. Real simple still life. Well, let's see, if I duplicate this layer, then just turn into appearances to hue saturation, then saturation all the way down, then maybe lightness a little bit up. Yeah, and effect only underneath. Well, I can march down. We got the black and white image and original image. Well, okay, I rename it all. I'm gonna move this empty layer over this original black and white image. Let me see. Then I'm gonna add color on this layer. Change blend mode to color. Then choose brush basic to soft round opacity. Now just create empty mask. Okay, that's all I need. And then let's see. If I change this black and white image, now it's color burn. Okay, leave it 30%. Okay, and let me see this pencil drawing type image. Now change to luminosity. Okay, then let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use this black and white image, duplicate, then move to up top. Then this blend mode, well, color burn's fine. Just okay, about 50%, and let's see. Okay, now I want to fix this image first. Okay, select multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything. Now duplicate layers. Then merge selected. I got this image, one layer we have. Let me turn it off, these all the images. Well, let me see. Pin light. This is pretty interesting. Luminosity effect layer, but now it's changed blend mode to pin light on this luminosity effect image. I want to fix this image as one layer, so I'm going to select multiple, then one and basic original image. Now I'm going to duplicate layers, then merge selected. Okay, this is pin light effect, right? Yep. Luminosity effect image, but pin light effect. Well, pin light effect over luminosity effect image. I want to see this texture of the brush. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Then I want to see this luminosity effect layer image, but this is pin light, so I'm going to bring this one back to normal, 100%. Okay, then I'm going to make mask on this image. Create empty mask, invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal with painting to roughing brush. Let me see. Not much interesting. Okay, change this brush. Okay, cut mask. Okay, we got this image, right? Just this pin light effect over luminosity effect image. Just turn it on, change blend mode to color over this original image. This is pretty nice effect. Okay, about this. Alright, now I'm gonna add layer. Then this layer I'm gonna fill in with white. Fill over pixel layer. Then create empty mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this with painting to roughing brush. Just hide this white layer roughing brush, right? Well, pretty much done. Okay, that's it. This is it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. That's pretty good. I like that. Yeah.